New at 5, a restaurant owner is now raising the alarm after he realized his establishment has not had a health inspection in a year and a half. And it's not just one location.
Yeah, the Fulton County Public Health website shows many popular food spots in Roswell haven't been inspected in over a year either. Our Palacero spoke to the owner and is getting you answers tonight.
The owner of Johnny's Pizza here in Roswell tells me he was shocked when he realized his restaurant had not been inspected in 18 months. So he took a walk down Canton Street and found out that was the case for many restaurants here.
I just went in and asked, like, hey, when's the last time you guys have been health inspected? And some of them, like, you know, we've been on high alert, just waiting. Some of them are like, haven't seen anybody in almost a year and a half.
And the Fulton County Public Health inspection page shows it. Records reveal some popular restaurants along Canton Road have not been inspected in over 2 years. The Food and Drug Administration says restaurants should be randomly inspected at least once every 6 months to prevent foodborne illnesses.
It's 6/2021. So mine is 18 months.
Daniel Daly says the unannounced inspections are important to keep the industry in check and keep customers healthy.
Not all restaurants practice good safety in food. If there are no safeguards in place, then that can lead to some bad issues. I know there are bad operators out there that don't and won't make any changes unless they're told to.
11 Alive reached out to Fulton County's Division of Environmental Health, which is in charge of inspecting Daly's restaurant as well as those along Canton Street. In a statement, it tells us in part that, quote, during the pandemic, the division had difficulties with manpower levels due to turnover, as we also maintained the largest restaurant caseload in the state. The division is in charge of inspecting more than 7,000 locations in the county and tells us it is working on tackling this backlog.
I'm hoping that this makes them get on top of their game and maybe hire some new people to come out and get the job done.
The agency also says it is working on hiring more inspectors to get inspections completed as quickly as possible. Paula Suro, 11 Alive News.
Oh my.
Yeah, that's really disturbing. I mean, because a lot of folks, before they even walk into a restaurant, they'll check out that inspection date and try to find out what category they fall in. But if they don't have that, how do you know?
I mean, maybe you're checking the score, but you might not be paying too close attention to the date there. And, you're making sure they have that A or that B or whatever, and you just gloss over the date. But good for him for actually speaking out and saying something. I bet his restaurant is one you want to visit.
Oh, I'm sure. And I'm glad that he is transparent about that. We really appreciate it. Of course, we're going to stay on top of that as well.